Hello friends, I am Vishali Sharma and I am back with my next video which is based on English language pedagogy for the CTET 2017. Friends, in this video I have discussed a very important topic, and that is difference between acquisition of the language and learning of the language. Friends, this is a very crucial topic in the point of the view for the CTET 2017, and there are several types of questions which have been asked in earlier paper also based on the acquisition of the language and learning of the language. So you must be very focused on these two terms. Okay, so we're gonna discuss about the first about the what is acquisition of the language, then we will discuss about the learning of the language. Friends, you must be clear what these two terms stands for. So first one is here, what is acquisition of the language? So many languages are used in countries or societies, isn't it? When languages are learnt without any practice, it is called first language. Child learns first language without any problem, है ना? Whenever we are at our childhood stage, we learn our mother tongue, we learn our first language without any problem, without any practice. It just come into our habit, है ना? We just become habitual of using it. So whenever any child or he or she learns first language, here FL stands for first language, it comes naturally. When language is learnt naturally and without any systematic practice, then it is called acquisition of the language. The language, when it is learnt in primary environment or learnt without practice, it is acquisition of the language. So friends, are you getting my point? What do we mean by the acquisition of the language? It is learnt in our primary environment and without any practice. That's why it comes naturally in our habit. Next one is, language acquisition is the process by which a child acquires its mother tongue. So friends, basically language acquisition is just revolve around the learning our mother tongue in some cases. The acquisition of a first language is the most wonderful feat we perform in our whole life. We do it at an age when we can hardly do anything else. Friends, we all know that when we are at our childhood stage, we can't do so much of things so much clearly as much as we can do the learning or the language learning. है ना? So this is the next key. Language acquisition is an active process. You can't do it as passively. If you have to acquire some language, then language acquisition must go as an active process. Children take the clues available to them and use these clues to construct their own grammatical rules, which grow in sophistication as acquisition proceeds. Friends, so I may get you may be able to understand what I mean about the language acquisition. So now we are proceeding towards the what is learning. So learning a language requires the operation of an innate capacity possessed by all human beings. Learning requires efforts, while on the other hand the acquisition comes naturally, but the learning requires the efforts, है ना? We can't learn anything without our efforts, while on the other hand the acquisition just goes naturally. It's a natural process. In our schools, many subjects are taught. English taught as second language. Yes, this is very genuine thing, because particular practice is given to the students to learn English. To learn English, the help of mother tongue is taken. है ना? When we are learning our English language, then the subjects are taught in English language also, so that it may become easy for us to learn the English language. So friends, we can say that the term learning can be defined as the way through which the art of using skill and practice is given to learn it, then it is learning. So friends, in this video we have discussed about the acquisition of the language and the learning of the language. So the basic difference between the acquisition of the language and learning of the language is that कि acquisition stands for the natural process, है ना, the learning which goes naturally. We learn the language naturally, we earn the language naturally, we learn our mother tongue naturally by living in our family, with our friends, in our environment in which that particular language is used. While on the other hand, learning stands for the effort learning, in which we put our efforts. ठीक है friends?